नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया स्वागत करता हूं आपको लोक टॉक्स चैनल पर। साथियों, आज चर्चा करेंगे 12 साइंस ऑफ मेंटली स्ट्रांग पीपल। ये कुछ मेरे पर्सनल डायरी के उन पन्नों में से वो कुछ हिस्से हैं जो मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा। सो लेट्स बिगिन। आइए शुरुआत करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। Welcome to Lok Talks for professional medical guidance, for spirituality and meditation, life coaching, personality development, and travelogues. Thank you very much to be a part of my online YouTube family. Thank you very much. I welcome to you all. Thank you. Mentally strong people have the ability to learn from their negative experiences. Whatever happens in your past, sit one day, take a pen and paper and jot down each and every word, jot down that experience and summarize your experience, that this is what I have learned lessons out of it. Having done that, that is the way you will transform yourself, and that is the way one will be able to prevent oneself from making the same mistake second time. Invariably what happens is, as it is very well said, that making a mistake, to err is human, but to repeat the same is foolishness. So my dear friends, it is very, very important to understand that healing your past means learning the lessons out of your past. Whatever has happened, maybe yesterday, maybe 10 years ago, recall that experience, make a proper notes out of it, think about it, where and what had gone wrong, what could have gone wrong, and how can you prevent it in future to happen. That is the best way to learn out of your experience. That is the best way to heal your past. Then only next time when you face such a situation, you will be more wiser, and then only you are unlikely to face the situations more better manner. Next important thing, the mentally strong people are very skillful at saying no. Many times we do accept everything, anything, whatever comes over. No, one should know very well our own strengths, our own weaknesses. Your own strengths and weaknesses, only knowing every now and then and being aware of it, only will give you ability to say no, and that should be again a very assertive communication which should not hurt the other person, and at the same time you can bring about a clarity in your relationships, and very comfort level can be developed only by having a very great understanding. Ability to say no is a skill which one will have to develop over a period of time, and which is very much required. Point number 3 is, you develop an art of making a constructive criticism. The best art to do that is that we learn to sandwich the things. How is that? Make a couple of points before beginning your constructive criticism. Make a couple of points appreciating the other person, that this is what you did fantastic, this is what you did very well. Then couple of points of your constructive criticism, and the last layer again should be another couple of points in appreciation. So that is how a constructive criticism is made. That only will make the other person to be introspective. Otherwise, if you just throw criticizing words, the person will become defensive, and one should never expect any changes to happen. Otherwise, also we all know very well that changing other person is very difficult, but in our day-to-day routine work, we have our subordinates. They may not work up to your levels, so you have to instruct them. But then the art of communication, right kind of communication, assertive communication has to be developed and has to be learned and practiced. The fourth strength of mentally strong people is you say what exactly you mean. Many times we keep on saying lot of things, and by evening or very next moment even we start realizing that you never meant so. So the mentally strong people have their ability to say and think exactly the same. What is not worth saying is not worth thinking. So this strong connection between saying and thinking will always make you to say only that what you mean. You will be saying only that. So there won't be any reason for you to say, oh, I'm sorry, I never meant that. No, if you are mentally very strong, and if you wish to become mentally very strong, then it is needed to develop this art, that whatever has happened, learn a lesson out of it, be clear about it, and think now only that what you are supposed to say, and nothing more, nothing less. If you are thinking more than that, what is not worth saying, that is where the overthinking happens, and saying all that what your overthinking thoughts were, useless thoughts were, that is where you are required to be sorry in front of most of the times, most of the people. Never do that. Never say anything which is not worth saying. Never think anything also which is not worth saying. So that's how one can be mentally at peace, by paying attention to what one should be thinking, how to substitute your accidental pattern of thinking with a constructive and structured pattern of thinking. That is how they are able to do, and that is how they can be, and that is how others label them that they are very mentally strong people. Well, the fifth quality of mentally strong people is that they have the ability to change their thought process. They are very flexible in their approach. They are able to take 180-degree turn as well. Quickly they can accept, yes, this is where I need to correct myself. They will correct and they will move on. They will not try to prove their point for no reason. Whatever it is there, they will not waste time in arguments. Generate a discussion. If it is going on a healthier side, fantastic. If not, cut out of it. The moment you start realizing that the people are getting into arguments, cut it down. Quickly agree with them and do whatever you think the best. Never try to argue unnecessarily, which will not take anybody in any good or great direction. Sixth strength of mentally strong people is that they try and they tend to sort out their own problems on their own. Asking for a solution from other people invariably doesn't help. 80% of people will enjoy the fact that you landed up in trouble, and 20% will think that, oh, we are not alone. He also landed up further in so and so trouble. So, and asking, you never get any solution. You will have to figure out solution to your own problems. Yes, certain facts can definitely be confided in somebody who is of top confidential level, very close to you. It is definitely very healthy thought process to share your secrets with somebody who is of your top confidential person, who is very close in your friendship, so that, and you should have that confidence that so and so person will never take benefits of those confidential thoughts of yours, because that also can help at times, but 99% times you should be able to figure out solutions to your problems. But that is where the role of patience lies in. Don't try to be very reactionary in trying to find out the solutions. Take plenty of time. There can be major problems you might be coming across. Have patience. Think about it. What best one can do. Stay quiet. Be meditative about it. Be contemplative about it. Where and what has gone wrong. Try to figure it out and correct yourself. There is nothing wrong. So that is one mentally strong person's strength, right? Refuse to give energy, thinking energy, thoughts energy, to something which is most unproductive. Many times we keep on, as I said earlier, many times we keep on having useless arguments. Mentally strong people don't believe in wasting their time and energy in wasteful thoughts. Well, the mentally strong people know and they realize the fact that it is okay to be wrong. Anybody can be wrong. The super major decisions can be proven wrong in long run. So it's okay. There is no reason to be so guilty about. Need to quickly come out of the guilt, learn the lessons out of it, and move on to your next chapters of life. Eighth quality is that you focus on the brighter side of every situation. Many times things may not happen the way you want it. हम जिंदगी में जैसा चाहते हैं वैसा होगा, इस बात के चांसेस आपने मान के चलना पड़ेंगे. हर स्थिति में आपको ये मान के चलना पड़ेगा कि ऐसा नहीं होगा. बी मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड. हम अगर मानसिक तौर से तैयार होंगे तो हमें उतना कष्ट नहीं होगा. जैसा कि कहा जाता है कि अगर आपकी इच्छा से हो, श्री अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने कहा है कि उनके पिताजी से जब उन्होंने एक बार ये चर्चा करी कि जैसा हम चाहते हैं वैसा नहीं होता है तो क्या समाधान है, तो उन्होंने बहुत सुंदर, हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने बहुत सुंदर उत्तर दिया उस बात का कि जो चीज़ आपकी इच्छा से होती है बहुत अच्छी बात है, जो आपकी इच्छा से नहीं होती है आप ये मान के चलें कि ऊपर वाले की इच्छा से हो रही है. सो that gives you mental strength and you should be able to accept that okay, this has gone wrong, this is what has happened, okay, fine, I take the responsibility and I will rectify it. And they not only take the responsibility to correct their own decisions, but they also will motivate others, because pondering constantly on your own mistakes, grumbling with yourself, with others, will not take you anywhere. So be positive, focus on the brighter aspect of everything, and that is the only way to maintain a balance of every situation. Well, if the situation cannot be controlled, at least stop worrying for and start thinking what best can be done. And if you can't do anything, just keep praying and develop and gain that mental strength to get a solution for the said problem. Just think how I can improvise this current situation. How can I improvise it? How can I work it out on that? Be solution oriented, not the problem oriented. Don't try to narrate, don't try to, yes, identify the problems. Then only you will get the solutions. But always have a mind, have the ability to be solution oriented, not try to hit the problems every now and then. Shooting problems will not take you anywhere in life. We move on, we develop a greater strength, we develop a better life by only looking at the positive aspect of every situation. And whenever things are not under our control, having patience, give time to sort out the problem. Hopefully you will get some solution coming to your mind very soon. You will be able to come out of your situation. But never be negative minded, never be guilty to an extent that you want to kill yourself, you want to finish off everything. Never do that. Never ever do that. Whatever you are, right from your life to all your social surrounding and social standing, a lot of people have their contributions. So never have so much of guilt. Whatever people are saying, it is their own opinion. Your self-respect should be of such a level that nobody should be able to define who you are and what your potentials and what your capabilities are. You only know the best about it. So don't let others ruin you, or don't get governed by other people's thought process about you. It is just their opinion, and you can change their opinions in your favor in due course of time. Don't worry about it. Well, when you find that situation is not under your control, you are not able to figure out any solution, start enjoying your solitude. Solitude is a state when you are alone, but you keep getting a lot of positive thoughts, the ability to convert all your negative thoughts, replacing your negative thoughts with positive thoughts, will convert your loneliness into solitude. And you will be able to figure out solutions to your worst of the situations in your life. 10th point is, the mentally strong people are always in charge of their emotions. They have the best of their self-respect. They have the pride but never are proudy. You should be able to find out a difference between the ego and self-respect. These are two ends of the same spectrum. You should fight for your self-respect, but not egoistic manner. Have patience. Everything will take its own time and things will get sorted out. But you will have to have assertive communication and be confident about your abilities and potentials. Whatever the other people are talking about you should not matter to you. Be very clear about your own potentials. You know yourself to the best. Whatever people are talking about just should not matter to you. As I said, nobody is on his own. We are all interdependent on each other. In my previous video on suicide prevention also I have spoken that one person, if I am here in my last 12 generations, more than 4094 people made their contributions for me to be able to breathe and to be able to survive and to exist in this life. So we should respect all that. That's most important, and that is what is called respect your own being. Don't get defined by others' opinions. You should know what the best is and try to improvise. Whatever has gone wrong, you have the ability, have that confidence that you have the ability to take the responsibility to convert and to change the scenarios. Worst of the scenarios, whatever you are going through, you can change over. The 11th point is that you are completely okay if somebody is not or trying to hit you back. That's fine. They will be regretting at some point of time. Give time to them to change over, and there's no point in fighting and hitting them back. You will be wasting your time and energy. So be mentally strong, have tremendous amount of patience, and definitely a time will come when you will be able to change your scenario completely. And the last quality is that mentally strong people have, and as I said just now, have tremendous amount of patience to attain and achieve whatever they wish to. Time frame, yes, but eventually if you don't succeed in your time frame, there is always a plan B, there can always be a plan C, there can always be a plan D. Never get so desperate. Don't get so upset. Take time, give yourself time to cool down, relax for some time, enjoy your solitude, stay quiet, try to figure out, and that's how the mentally strong people are able to make themselves comfortable and make themselves peaceful in the worst of the scenarios. So be wiser in what you should be thinking, how one should be thinking, and be solution oriented only. Problems are going to be there, but every problem is just a situation. Eventually, if you are not able to figure out a solution to that at this moment, give time to yourself, have some patience, relax, cool down, meditate for some time. The moment you reach to little bit of thoughtless state, you will find that good number of solutions have started striking your mind, and that's how you can attain and achieve whatever you wish to. Thank you very much. Take care. All the best. God bless you. Be mentally as strong as you wish to prove yourself to be. Don't get disturbed to any worst extent, and always respect your being, always respect your life. Never take ever decisions, worst of the decisions like committing suicides. Recently also, one orthopedic surgeon in Kerala, of course he was going through a very rough patch in life, he committed suicide. My all prayers for his soul for being in peace. But it is very painful, my dear friends, to think, to go through such phases. So one has to train oneself how to be mentally strong to go through the very bad patches in life. One has to keep oneself very stable, full of patience, and a time will come that you will be able to address all your problems, all your worst of the situations in your life. Thank you very much. Take care. Love you all.